Hey guys! Are you want to buy best car wash brushes? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car wash brushes that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ordenado Car Wash Brush. The Ordenado 62-inch car wash brush is a versatile, high-quality cleaning tool perfect for any car enthusiast. With 4 sturdy aluminum poles, the brush easily adjusts to 3 lengths, 32.6 inch, 46.3, and 62, making it ideal for cleaning vehicles of all sizes without bending or straining. The stuck-fixing pole design ensures a secure connection, while the 180 degrees rotating mop head and anti-slip handle offer enhanced control and maneuverability. The 2-in-1 chenille microfiber head doubles as a mitt for hand use, delivering a scratch-free clean by trapping dirt and grime deep in its fibers. Made from premium, rust-resistant aluminum, this brush is built to last. It's not just for cars, use it on trucks, RVs, windows, ceiling fans, and more. The kit includes 4 poles, a mop head, and an extra chenille cover, making it a thoughtful gift. Backed by a 12-month warranty, this brush delivers both convenience and performance for all your cleaning needs. Now our second product is WillingHeart Curved Car Wash Brush. This 43-inch retractable car wash brush is a game-changer for vehicle cleaning. Featuring a 15 degrees curved aluminum handle, it reduces the strain on your arms and back while making it easier to reach rooftops and high surfaces. The 3-section telescoping pole adjusts to 22-inch, 33, or 43, offering flexible reach for all vehicle sizes. Its 90 degrees rotating brush head allows effortless cleaning at various angles, and the detachable design saves space when stored. The brush head boasts 4 cm ultra-soft microfiber chenille bristles that are gentle on paint but tough on grime. A thickened sponge layer inside the mop adds protection against scratches, while the highly absorbent material ensures efficient foaming and rinsing. Crafted from durable, anti-rust aluminum with a comfortable EVA sponge grip, it's both sturdy and user-friendly. Versatile for wet or dry use, it's ideal for cars, RVs, boats, windows, and more. A must-have tool for spotless results without the hassle. Our third product is Ceuissp Car Wash Brush. This professional-grade 62-inch long-handle car wash brush is a must-have for anyone cleaning tall vehicles like trucks, RVs, and SUVs. Its extendable aluminum pole allows you to comfortably reach rooftops and windshields without a ladder, saving time and effort. The soft, scratch-resistant bristles ensure safe washing, lifting dirt gently without damaging your vehicle's paint, perfect for glossy surfaces and even patio furniture. Designed for versatility, this brush works seamlessly with most car wash kits and attaches to a hose to deliver soap and water directly to the surface, streamlining the entire washing process. Its heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant build can tackle commercial cleaning tasks or weekend car detailing alike. Lightweight with an ergonomic, anti-slip grip, it minimizes arm strain and ensures control during extended use. When you're done, it stores compactly, making it a practical and portable upgrade for any car enthusiast or professional detailer. A smart investment for safer, faster, and easier cleaning. Now number 4, Wontolf Car Wash Brush. The Wontolf Car Wash Brush Set offers an efficient and versatile solution for car and household cleaning. Featuring a 62-inch extendable aluminum alloy pole made of 4 durable segments with spring buckle locks, this brush provides excellent reach and stability, perfect for cleaning high rooftops or hard-to-reach areas on trucks, RVs, SUVs, and more. The 180-degree rotating microfiber chenille brush head ensures scratch-free, lint-free, and swirl-free cleaning while effectively lifting dirt and grime. Its detachable design allows you to convert the mop head into a handheld mitt for added convenience. With 3 reusable, machine-washable chenille covers included, this kit is both practical and eco-friendly. The anti-slip sponge grip adds comfort, and adjustable pole lengths, 32.6 inch, 46.3, or 62, make it user-friendly for all. Whether washing, drying, waxing, or dusting, this kit brings ease and efficiency to your routine, making it a must-have for car lovers and detailers alike. And our last choice is Pimekoy Car Wash Brush. The 2-in-1 car cleaning brush kit offers a complete solution for keeping your vehicle spotless. It features a dual-sided brush with soft bristles for safe, scratch-free cleaning and a built-in rubber squeegee for a streak-free finish on windows. The 60-inch stainless steel long handle makes it easy to reach rooftops, large trucks, RVs, or boats without bending or straining. Adjustable pull length ensures flexibility for any task. Also included is a premium chenille microfiber wash mitt, super absorbent, reusable, and comfortable to wear, perfect for hand cleaning tight areas. Whether you're tackling dirt, grease, or road grime, this all-purpose car wash brush kit is suitable for cars, RVs, boats, siding, windows, and more. Durable, versatile, and easy to use, it's ideal for home or professional detailing. The kit includes one long-handle brush and one microfiber mitt, making it a reliable addition to your vehicle cleaning routine. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.